Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are getting the message Google Play Store has stopped, don't worry, you are not alone. In this video, I am going to show you some quick and easy ways to fix it and get your Play Store working again in just few minutes. Let's get started. Solution 1. Restart your phone. Sometimes all your phone needs is a quick refresh. Just press and hold the power button for about 10 seconds. Tap on Restart. Wait for the phone to turn back on. Then open the Play Store again and see if the problem is gone. Solution 2. Clear storage and cache for Play Store and Play services. This helps the Play Store without deleting your apps. Open the Settings app. Tap on App Management. Then tap on App List. Find and tap on Google Play Services. Tap Storage and Cache. Then tap Clear Cache and Clear Storage and confirm. Now go back, find Google Play Store and tap it. Tap Storage and Cache. Then again tap Clear Cache and Clear Storage and confirm. That's it. Try opening the Play Store now. It should be working better. Solution 3. Update the Play Store. Sometimes the Play Store itself just needs an update. Open Google Play Store. Tap your profile icon in the top right corner. Tap Settings. Tap on About. Look for Play Store version, then tap on it. If an update is available, it will start automatically. Solution 4. Update your Android system. Keeping your phone software up to date helps avoid bugs. Go to Settings. Scroll down and tap on System. Then tap System Update. Download and install any available updates. Solution 5. Turn off Find My Device. Sometimes security feature cause issues with system apps like Play Store. Open Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Password and Security. Now scroll all the way down and tap on Advanced option. Tap on Device Admin Apps. Turn off Find My Device temporarily. Once the issue is fixed, you can turn it back on. And that's it. One of these solutions should help solve the Google Play Store has stopped problem. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more quick tutorial and smartphone tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.